Hey Chickees! So today I'm going to be showing you all my in-flight travel essentials. So basically what is in my carry-on bag for whenever I'm traveling. So I hope you all enjoy and let's get started. So first, my bag. I just use a plain black JanSport backpack, but I love this bag so much because it's super durable and it holds literally everything, so it's my go-to bag for whenever I'm flying. Now let's get to see what's inside of it. First, I have my passport and my wallet. Of course, I need my passport for whenever I'm flying abroad, and then my wallet to keep my ID, my cards, my money, and all of that stuff in. Next, I have my computer and my phone, of course, and while I'm on my flights, I like to get a lot of my YouTube work done, so basically a lot of editing, so having my computer fully charged before a flight is definitely a must. And of course, my phone so I can listen to music and go on social media if my plane has good Wi-Fi. The next one is optional, but if I have a long flight, I'll usually bring my schoolwork with me just in case I have any studying to do. So here I'm just showing my textbook and my notebook, but you guys get the point. Next is my vlog camera and my tripod. I now do weekly vlogs on my vlog channel, as you guys know, so having my vlog camera is a must so I could just capture all of my travels on video, and I use this little flexible tripod to hold my vlog camera while I film. It just makes it a lot smoother and a lot easier. Next, I have my headphones, pretty self-explanatory for music and stuff. Next, this little pouch is absolutely essential for me. It carries all my wires and my chargers and literally everything that involves a cord, so let's go and take a better look at it. First, I have my iPhone and my MacBook chargers, and I think having these two chargers is pretty self-explanatory. Then I have my vlog camera charger and my portable charger for my phone, and these are of course to charge my vlog camera and my phone. Then I have my hard drive, my connectors, and my card reader. I use my hard drive to just store videos once they're done edited, and my card reader to transfer videos onto my computer, and then of course I use the connectors to connect them to the computer. And then lastly, in the pouch I just have regular earbuds just in case, you know, my headphones lose charge or won't connect or something. And then moving on to other stuff, I have a snack and water, of course, and the snack changes every single time, but today I just have some cookies, and the water is just a regular bottle of water, which I know you can't bring bottles like this through security, but I usually just buy it once I get through the gate, but you know, it's still an essential, need water for a flight. Now for my long flights, this little set that my grandma got me is literally perfect. This travel bag just has an eye mask, a neck pillow, and a blanket. I use this for when my flights are usually longer than like 4 hours, so I could take a nice snooze on my plane. Then I have my glasses, which really there isn't much to say about these, you know, just so I could see things if I'm not wearing my contacts, always an essential. Then I have what I like to call my beauty bag, and this bag just holds all of my beauty stuff and my touch-up essentials, as well as some other random stuff, so let's empty it and take a closer look. First, I have some makeup remover wipes, blotting sheets, and a mirror. I use the mirror to do my touch-ups, the blotting sheets for my oily skin, and makeup remover wipes so I can take my makeup off while flying if I need to. Next, I have my lip balm for keeping my lips hydrated, my pressed powder to touch up and mattify my face, and my eyelash curler just to perk up my lashes before landing. Next, I have a hair clip, some hair ties, and a hairbrush, and these I use, of course, to brush out my hair, as well as throw it up or put it in a clip whenever I need it out of my face. And lastly, we have all the random beauty essentials. So first, I have spare contacts in case mine start to bug out on me or something. Then I have perfume so I smell fresh coming off the plane. Tissues can be used to sneeze, wipe your face, wipe your hands, really anything. Hand sanitizer because you don't know who was in the seat before you. Gum for my fresh breath, and I also chew it when I depart and land so my ears don't pop. And lastly, my pills because all medications should be kept with you and not in a checked luggage. God forbid they lost it. So that's all for what's actually in my bag, but here's just me putting all these essentials into my bag just so you guys could see how everything fits very nicely, and I still actually have more room in case I need to throw like a sweater or something in there. The only thing I carry separately is my sleeping set because it's almost the same size as the bag, but it's no biggie. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel and follow me on my social media, which is BeautyChickee on Twitter, Instagram, YouNow, and Snapchat, and Facebook if you are not already. You guys go click to subscribe to my main channel, my vlog channel, or to check out my latest vlog. So yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao, chickies.